Good morning students. Today I have to discuss about chapter 6 triangles, theorem number 6.3. This is one of the similar criteria for similar triangles. The theorem statement was, look at, if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio and hence the two triangles are similar. Okay, if any two triangles corresponding angles are equal, here I have taken two triangles. The name was ABC and DEF. ABC and DEF. Okay, here the corresponding angles are, I taken A angle A, corresponding angle is angle D. Angle B corresponding angle is angle E. Angle C corresponding angle is angle F. Okay, now I have taken here given point. What is given? If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, here the corresponding angles, here angle A equals to angle D, angle B equals to angle E, and angle C equals to angle F. These three corresponding angles are equal. They given in a question. What should I do here? Then the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So if you observe that AB corresponding side D, so the ratio will equal. Okay, to prove AB by DE equals to BC by EF equals to AC by DF. We should prove these three corresponding sides ratio will equal. Then the two triangles are similar. How to prove here? Here I taken on construct. Okay, write the construction. Construct. Here cut DP equals to AB, and DQ equals to AC and join PQ. Okay, here draw a line, the PQ line. Here DP equals to AB I taken and DQ equals to AC I taken. In this way I join one line PQ. Now how to prove the ratio will equal? First of all, proof. Okay, if you have to take ABC triangle and DPQ triangle, what are the triangles I taken here? Triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. Do the congruence of these two triangles. What are the equal parts are there? Here AB equals to DP. AB equals to DP. How it is equal? By construction. And what the other side is equal? AC equals to DQ. It is also be by construction. And here angle A equals to angle D. Why? Because they given in a question. Angle A equals to angle D. It is given. So side angle side, triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, two triangles are congruent by SAS congruence criteria. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Triangle DPQ. If any two triangles are congruent, then we have to take by CPCT remaining corresponding sides and remaining corresponding angles are equal. So, what are the remaining corresponding angles will equal here? If you observe that, I take here B equals to P and C equals to Q. C equals to Q by CPCT. By CPCT, I take here angle B equals to angle P and angle C equals to angle Q. Okay, angle B equals to angle P and C equals to angle Q by CPCT. Okay, already we know that angle B equals to angle E. Already we know that angle B equals to angle E in given question. Okay, we know that angle B equals to angle E. If you compare angle B equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle E. So, okay, so angle P and angle E, if you compare these two equations, I can conclude that angle P equals to angle E. Angle P equals to angle E. All understand that here angle P equals to angle P and angle B equals to angle E. So angle P equals to angle E. These two will be equal. If you observe that these two are corresponding angles, angle P and angle E are here corresponding angles. If two corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines are called parallel. Already we studied. If any two angles, any two corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines are called parallel. So angle P equals to angle E are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. If two corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines are called parallel. So I can write here PQ parallel EF. Therefore, PQ parallel EF. PQ parallel EF. Okay, what is the theorem 6.1? PPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. If two lines are parallel, the parallel can divide remaining two sides in the equal ratio or same ratio by PPT theorem. By PPT theorem, I can write here one line, here PQ is parallel to third one side of a triangle, then the line can divide remaining two sides in the same ratio. So I can write here dP by dE. So what can I write here? dP by dE, dP by dE equals to dQ by dF. In BPT theorem, I can write here dP by PE equals to dQ by QF. Okay, if you add both sides 1, I will get here dP by dE equals to dQ by dF. dP by dE equals to dQ by dF. We can write in so many ways here. If you observe, one line can parallel to the third side of a triangle, then the remaining two sides ratio are, I can write dP by PE equals to dP by PE equals to dQ by QF or dP by dE equals to dQ by dF or PE by dE equals to PE by dE equals to QF by dF. In these three ways I can write their ratio. Okay, that is why I take in here dP by dE equals to dq by df. This type of ratio I solved in example 1. Okay, if you observe the example 1, you will get. Okay, so already we know that dp is equal to ab. dp is equal to ab. So in place of dp I take here ab. So I can write here ab by de. ab by de equals to, in place of dq I take here ac. ac by df. ac by df. Look at here, ab by de equals to ac by df. ac by df. It is equation number 1. Equation number 1. Now what you do here? Change the construction. Change the construction. If you construct like here, it is P, it is Q. Okay, cut EP is equals to BC and EQ is equals to BA. Okay, understand that? In place of here, cut like EP equals to BC, EQ equals to BA. Okay, then these two triangles, BCA triangle, EPQ triangle, by SAS congruence criteria, two triangles are congruence. Same procedure, two triangles are congruence. Then by CPCT I will take here this angle equals to this angle and this angle equals to this angle. These two angles are taken equal by CPCT. So already we know that B equals to F. So these two lines are called parallel. Similarly, these two lines are parallel. So I can write here. What can I write here? EP by EF. What can I write here? EP by EF equals to. That means here similarly. EP by EF equals to EQ by ED. EQ by ED. Okay. EQ by ED or DE. Understand that? EQ by ED. ED means DE. DE. Now, what is EP equal? I taken EP equal to BC. EP equal to BC equals to EF. BC by EF. And EQ is equals to AB. So I take here AB by DE. This is equation number 2. Now comparing equation 1 and 2, look at here. AB by DE is common. So therefore I can conclude here AC by, look at here, conclude therefore AB by DE equals to AC by DF equals to BC by EF. Okay, AB by DE equals to AC by DF equals to BC by EF. So if any two triangles, the corresponding angles are equal, then the corresponding sides will be equal. Therefore the two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC similar to triangle